Hey Tribe Squad, what's up? It's your girl Shantism 101, and we are going to get into this beautiful unit that I have on my head. So if you're interested, make sure you keep on watching. Alright guys, so first things first, this wig was sent to me from Zury Hollywood, and I want to say thank you Zury for sending me this wig. I appreciate you guys. Let's talk about this wig. This wig is called Beyond Lace H Chill, and she has been around for a little minute, but I just got my hands on her. She has a 5-inch hand-tied lace part space here. It is heat safe up to 400 degrees. It has 2 clips that are like little combs in the front and 1 comb in the back, adjustable straps, and a pretty good tint on the lace. So I wouldn't say that you need to do anything special to the lace. It does state that it has a preset frontal hairline. I'm going to show you guys how I took this wig out of the box, put it on, and then I'll be back. Alright squad, make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Also, I do love to do wig reviews for beginners. So if that is something you are interested in, all you need to do is subscribe to my channel by clicking the link down below, and then you are a part of my Tribe Squad. And I would really appreciate it. I make bomb-ass videos every week. Okay, so let's talk about this wig. I have her in the color Tie-Dye Plum, and her name is Chill. And I'm just going to take her right out of the packaging so you can see what it would be like if you ordered this wig and how she arrives. I do want to say the first thing I noticed is it has a kind of wig smell to it. So you will be caught off guard by that. There is a way to get rid of that wiggy smell. I'll tag the information in my description box. So overall, I really like the construction of this wig. It has a pretty good tinted lace, as I said, which what I mean by that is it's not like overly light or too dark. It's kind of just right. It is 24 inches long, which is pretty long for my little petite frame, as I'm only 4'9". So if you are taller than me, this wig will fall a little shorter on you. So just keep that in mind. But if you usually wear 24 inches, girl, you're gonna be fine. So let's talk about the little hairline here. One of the things that's mentioned on the card is this like pre-customized hairline, and it does come with baby hairs. I like to slick the baby hairs back. That's my jam. You do you, boo. If you want to get some swoopies poppin', do it. I don't know about the color of this wig, but I was craving colors so much. I have been doing like 1Bs and 1B30s, and I love those colors as well. But anybody who knows me knows that color is my heart. So I wanted purple hair so bad, and when I got a chance to pick, this is what I picked. So this is me cutting the lace off of this unit. Hindsight, I probably would have glued this wig down before I cut the lace, just because it really had the perfect hairline for that. I don't know why I did not do that, but I want to be honest and show that as well, as opposed to just redoing and only showing you like one side, you know. I just want to tell you, if you are doing it, maybe refer to one of my other videos. It's a different method on how to lay the lace, but because I didn't want to glue this wig down, and the reason being is because I was filming some other wig reviews, not because I didn't want it attached to me, because girl, I really like this color. When my wife saw it, she was like, okay, so first of all, my wife, bless her heart, she was like, is that 2 wigs? And I was like, yes, babe, because I just put 2 wigs on. And honestly, there's my son. I can see why my wife thought it was 2. It is an interesting colorway, but I like it. I like the different little vibe it's got going. I don't know. Tell me what you guys think in the comments section. Like, if you're gonna order her, what color are you thinking? Because she has a lot of different colors. I'm gonna tag them in my description box because there are a ton. You know, matter of fact, they got so many colors, girl. They've got sunrise, amber, blonde, slime, burgundy, RT 2730, so there's a lot. So let me go ahead
All
and
right,
tell
so
you
as
guys
you guys can
overall my
see, I
final
did
thoughts.
literally nothing to this wig, and that's my favorite thing to do. I do not like to do a lot of work. I don't like to pluck. I don't like to pick at it. I don't want to do all that. I just want to put the wig on, and I want to look good. Is that too much to ask? And I feel like this wig delivers. Also, I really like how this kind of flows. Interesting color way for sure, but I have been craving purple hair, so however I can get purple hair, I'm gonna take it. I'm actually not mad at the little color here, but it is odd. Like it flows weird, so like we need to just address that up front. It is 24 inches long, and from a tangling perspective, because of the length, I would say that this is a tangling danger zone. You are definitely going to get a lot of tangling, but overall, the wig is bad, bitch. It is so cute. I love wigs that I don't have to do a lot to them. I can tell right now that this wig has a little give. I don't know about how much. So I'm going to link one of my big head friendly sisters down below who's did a review on this wig just so that you can see from their perspective as well. I'm very petite, so this is a very long wig on me. I love long hair when it does something and it tells a story. And I feel like this long hair is definitely telling some type of story. I just don't know what it is yet. Like, I don't know. Everything else about this wig, though, is a really good buy overall. I'm going to post the link on where you can order down below if you are interested. Girl, get you one. It's definitely not a bad buy at all. Tell me what you guys think in the comments section. Do you know about Chill? Do you got her? Have you thought about her? Why are you reserved? Let me know in the comments. Overall, from a con perspective, I would say the tangling is the biggest con that I have, but everything else I love. I'm not mad at this wig at all. I think this is a great, statement piece. If you got something to go to, this is a really good wig for that. But yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comment section, and I will see you guys next time for another bomb ass wig review. Bye, guys.